Welcome to Stepper Shoe Restoration. Today we're going to be cleaning the Bred 11s. As you can see, sole's pretty bad. Got gum on the bottom. I'm going to start off with the soles because those are the dirtiest part of the shoe. Start by giving it a nice scrub. Rub it down with the towel, get some of them suds off so I can see what I missed. Give it another scrub on the bottom heel part. Make sure we get all that dirt, rocks. Now we're going to clean the side of the shoe, white part. It's going to be another area of the shoe that's going to be pretty dirty. I'm going to give it a good scrub on both sides. Wipe it down with a towel so I can see what I missed. Get that back side. Now we're going to get the length out of the shoe from the socks that you wear. It's going to clean both shoes inside. So now we're going to take our vacuum and vacuum out any loose debris that might be in the shoe, grass, any extra material that may have fallen under the sole. So now that we've done everything, we're gonna lace the shoe up. And yes, I do clean laces. Laces have been soaking throughout the whole process and washed. And now you have your results. Sole is clean, looking good, looking good. Oh, you stepping now.